Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat streak disappeared. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat streak disappeared, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to Snapchat and you will click. Here in this window of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here in this list, you will enter to clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.